I've been doing my best, Dad. I've been doing everything I could to be a werewolf like you.
I know you have, son. It's not always easy to be a werewolf. It just takes time. Why don't you give it another try?
Okay, I'll try. I did it, Dad! I'm a werewolf!
I am very proud of you, my son.
Let's go meet Mom at the top of the tallest tower in the castle and howl at the moon!